Hi guys, welcome back. Today I got myself some new shoes for the garden. Crocs. So we can continue doing our work comfortably outside. And today we also received our first new tropical trees from Dailies. So that's one pair of shoes and how many? 50 new trees for 2021. Yeah, I go through one pair of shoes a year at the most. Sometimes one pair for 2 years. But the trees, guys, this is my how shall I call it? My weakness, my my vice. All right, let's get started. So these are the new trees. 4 little guys here. They look nice and healthy as usual from Dailies. Can you see that? So do you recognize what they are, guys? They're obviously tropical, right? And they're all the same. I got 4 of them. I saw them and snapped them up. Actually, they had, I think there was like 6 or 8. I was going to get all of them, but I had some, what do you call it? Compassion to let you guys get the others. They don't last long, so you gotta check the website frequently. These are Achacha. Yeah, you saw I shared one, the only one I have, in the greenhouse the other day, right? And well, these are a long term investment or project, whichever one pans out. So if you don't know what a chacha is, you can Google it. But I haven't actually. Yes, I have. I have tried a chacha once. We got a couple of fruit at our local supermarket here, or produce market, about 5 or 6 years ago, and it was so brief, the one only time I've tried them, I can't remember what they tasted like. But they're more common up in far north Queensland, but we do get them in Melbourne occasionally. So this is like it's also known as the African mangosteen, and it's a Garcinia humilis, to be exact. Right? So why did I get 4 instead of 1? Well, because they take forever to grow, that's why. And they take even longer to fruit. They say they can take up to 5 years or 6 years to fruit. And because I'm in Melbourne, that's in the subtropics. Because I'm in Melbourne, that 5 or 6 years can be 10 or 12 years. Who knows? I don't know anyone in Melbourne who has successfully gotten these to fruit, right? So I'm not going to take a chance with only 1 or 2 of these, because they can just drop dead any time for whatever reason. You know how suks are. These are suks, by the way, but they're the hardier suks, not the regular mangosteen or star apple kind of suks. So I'm hoping that this works out well, and that long term works out rather than just an investment. Yep. around the same price as 2 pairs of shoes, and that's where it's at. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.